Hey everybody, it's Shamika. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. I appreciate your support. Now, don't judge your girl for looking a hot mess, but I don't care. I got super inspired and had to make this video for you guys really, really quickly, okay? So y'all know I don't have any problem sharing my personal experience with you guys because it is how we learn and grow. So I was sitting here stressing, just like most of you guys who are probably stressing, like, man, how am I gonna make ends meet? There are things that happen. Your truck needs to be fixed. You got all these unexpected expenses. Things just fall out the sky, and it's like, Lord, how am I gonna put this together? So if I was blessed with a thought to help me remember something that I could utilize to get ahead, I want to share that with y'all as well. Hold on now, let me make sure, at least got to make sure the hair looking good, okay? All right, so I was sitting here having a conversation with someone and about business credit, right? And I was thinking like, dang, this person was showing me their credit limits and their accounts, and I started thinking, I have accounts at some of these same places when I started my business credit journey. And some of you guys who are business owners, you have that business credit journey as well. And you probably got those accounts that you completely forgot about and have not used. And I was sitting here going, I haven't used Quill in a very long time. And then I thought about it. I used to use Quill back in the day when I very first started my business. I even got a video on it stating that when I need a little loan, a little bridge to get me from one payday to the next payday, I used to use my business credit accounts, and I completely forgot about that. And I would strongly suggest that you guys, if you have a business, you have business credit. This is why I always tell you should have a business, because you need to be able to borrow from yourself, and we do not have time to go to the bank. Why? Because most of our credit ain't looking good. So I am going to go right here to my Quill account, and I am going to purchase a couple gift cards, and I'm going to use those gift cards as an advance to myself. Okay, so basically I am going to loan myself some money, and that is something that I suggest you guys try too. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know, if you do have a business account and if it has a credit line available, go on the website and see if you can purchase gift cards. You can do this with your gas cards. You could do this with Quill. You could do this with Sam's Club. I'm sure there are a few more, Amazon, but if you have those type of accounts that allow you to go and get a Visa Vanilla card or even a gift card that you can exchange for money, do that, okay? So that is what I'm about to do. I'm about to go give myself a loan. I ain't got to ask nobody for no money. I'm just asking myself. And hopefully you guys can do the same thing too. Hope I inspired somebody to go and get them some money, or at least start their business credit journey. And if not, go and get you some money and stop struggling and stop stressing, okay? Talk to y'all soon. Bye.